Welcome back to English class once again, children. In this video, I am going to start teaching you English 1, and the very first lesson in English 1 is the sentence. So, children, when you will open your book, you will find this warm-up session before we begin kinds of sentences. You just try out, ensemble each set of words and form a sentence. So as I know, these sentences are very easy to form. A beautiful is painting what this. What a beautiful painting this is. Jar broke the who. Who broke the jar? And these things are very easy. You can do the last one, your what name is. What is your name? So these are the different kind of sentences. You do it. And afterward we have kinds of sentences. Children's sentences can be divided into 4 kinds. We have done already in class 5th. So in a very short manner I am going to discuss it, because the practice, the exercises when you do, it will be clear to you more and more. So sentences are divided into 4 types. First is declarative, then interrogative, then imperative, and then exclamatory sentences. So the very first is declarative sentences, which states about facts. uh, it is going to rain today. You should go to the library sometimes. Declarative sentences always ends with a full stop. Children, this is a very easy way to identify the sentences. Full stop means declarative. Fine. So declarative sentences may be of 2 types. First is affirmative. Affirm means to say yes, positive ones. And the other one is negative. Madhuri sings well. This is an affirmative sentence. Madhuri does not sing well. It is a negative. So all negative sentences have no, not, none, never, neither, nor, etc. So, and then we have interrogative sentences. Children, in class 6, interrogative sentences are given in detail. Okay. So interrogative sentences ask questions like, did you brush your teeth? Where did you keep the cake? Interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentences are of 4 kinds. Here it is given in your book. The very first type we have is yes/no questions. Children, many times we answer in yes or no. Like if I ask, did you do your homework? Are you ready to go to school? So these questions are answered in yes or no. So, and then the second type we have WH questions. WH questions are the questions that begin with WH words. We have some WH words, children, like who, why, when, where, which, how. Like who is your class teacher? Which is your favorite color? So these are WH questions. And then the third one we have tag questions. Children, tag questions are the questions that are formed by adding an interrogative tag, like at the end of the declarative one. You write imperative or declarative sentence, and at the end, after the comma, you will see, Mr. Lal is your class teacher, isn't she? You are a good student, aren't you? Maya doesn't speak French fluently, does she? Means there will be one statement and the one comma, then after you will get a question mark. So this is tag questions. And afterward, one more type we have choice questions. Means these are the questions that provide a choice. Like would you prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Do you like the black dress or the blue one? Here we have choice, either or. And then interrogative sentences are always ends with question mark. Then we have imperative sentences. Children, imperative sentences express a command, a request, or a piece of advice, right? So stop fighting is a command. Please keep your eyes open is a request. Always speak the truth. This is the advice. So these are what? Imperative sentences. And these sentences always end with full stop. And the fourth and the last type we have exclamatory sentences. Children, exclamatory sentences express certain emotions like what pleasant weather it is. This is fabulous. Like exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Like stop it, halt. So after you are having four types of sentences, one more thing is given in this lesson is transformation of sentences. Children, transformation of sentences you have already done in class 5th also. Then again we have a short recap, you can say. It is not first time we are teaching you. Sentences can be transformed from one kind to the other. Like, he came to meet me. This is a declarative sentence. When you change it into a question, it will be like he came is a simple past. So when we convert it from declarative to interrogative, we will write did, because came is the past form of come. So did will come, then he, then the present form of the verb, like did he come? Did he came? It will not be there. Did he come to meet me? She is going to meet me. Is she coming to meet me? She sings well. Does she sing well? So this is the way we transform the sentences. So in the next, children, in the next one, our exercises starts. The first exercise we have, identify the kinds of sentences. Mark D for declarative, I for interrogative, I am for imperative, and E for exclamative sentences. Here you are given the mixed sentences, and you have to just write the short in the box. So children, with the full stop you will identify the declarative and imperative, question mark with questions, interrogative sentences, and mark exclamation marks will give you the identification of exclamatory sentences. So children, you try, and I would like to tell you one thing. I have an old book, and the PDF form book which is given on the website is a new book, and though things are same, but some exercises are somewhere less, some are more. Don't worry about that. And the next exercise we have, complete these sentences with appropriate tag questions. You try all, and then third you have identify these interrogative sentences. Mark Y for yes no questions, T for tag questions, C for choice questions, and W for WH questions. So these are the types of questions you have to identify. And then you have the last one, change the sentences as instructed. So instruction is given in the bracket, you have to change according to that. And children, I was thinking whether I should give you the answer or not, but finally I came to the conclusion that I must give you, because some of you are not having the book, some of you are having the problem of mobile and laptops and different things, and in this lockdown you must have some written work. We don't know, for so long we are at home, so I am just giving you the key which I have of the old book. In the next slide, after doing all the exercises, you check your answers. First you try, but okay, fine. So be very honest, you try out first, and then you have the answer of the all the exercises I have given. And in the last video, children, I got the complaint from you that the question answers of the poem Summer Sun was not very clear. So I have jotted down it again in this slide. The Summer Sun RTC I have typed out. That was a pic clicked by me, and it was not very clear. So now I am giving you the RTC question answers, and two more questions were there. So children, the next we have, according to the syllabus of UT, second lesson we're not going to do. The lesson 3, noun is will be the next lesson I will start teaching. So before you going to finish the types of kinds of sentences, lesson 3 we have to do. So children, practice it well, and do all the exercises in the notebook, rough notebook obviously, and keep safe, stay home, take care. I'm missing you, my students. Bye. Take care.